winter running out in the woods. What did I come across today? So, this is interesting. So those are cat tracks of some sort. And those little tiny white things jumping around are winter fleas. But there's cat tracks that are on this trail. And there's no other tracks here. This is it. All right? Those are cat tracks. And they're going straight down that trail that I'm running. What could those cat tracks be? Is it a bobcat? Man, look at all the winter fleas out here. They're all over like crazy. I don't know if you can see them. There they are. They're jumping around. They're everywhere on this trail. Or in this spot right here. So there's water underneath here, which I'm assuming they live in the water. I'm just surfaced up to the snow. But I wonder if I'll find out what those tracks belong to. And those tracks look old though. Not from today, not from now, not fresh. But definitely by themselves out here in the middle of the woods. Top of the Shawangunk Mountains. Do I continue to run and follow the tracks? Or will it find me? Let's go. Quarter of a mile down the trail, the tracks go out into the woods. Definitely not a deer, because deer you can see the prongs. That's the wrong spacing. That's some kind of cat. Appears to be some kind of cat. Not a domestic cat up here on top of the mountain.